The cluster command in Splunk is used to group similar events automatically. It identifies common patterns or shared field values among events to create clusters. This helps in organizing search results efficiently and makes event analysis faster and clearer. The main purpose of the cluster command is to automatically group events that have similar field values or patterns. This process simplifies your search results and improves their clarity, allowing you to focus on event groups instead of sifting through individual events. Using the cluster command without additional parameters lets Splunk group events based purely on their similarity. You can run a search for terms like error or failure, and then apply the cluster command to organize the events. The output will show a label for each cluster along with the original event data. You can control how strictly events need to match to be in the same cluster by setting the threshold option. A higher threshold means events must be more similar to be grouped together, while a lower threshold allows for looser matches. Adjusting this value lets you fine-tune the clustering sensitivity. The cluster command can focus on specific fields to create more targeted groups. By specifying fields such as host or source, only similarities in those fields will be considered when clustering events. This helps create more meaningful clusters relevant to your analysis needs. Several options are available to customize the clustering behavior, like max matches and max clusters to limit the size and number of clusters. The output includes fields like cluster label, which identifies the cluster, and cluster count, showing how many events are in each group. These options help you control and interpret clustering results effectively. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.